So I'm about to go to the airport. This is Gatwick Airport behind me for my flight to Barbados. I was meant to fly yesterday from Manchester, but a bad traffic accident meant I missed my flight. So I've missed a day in Barbados. I should be there now. So I get to Barbados about 3 o'clock this afternoon, their time, and I've got to see the sights in just that day because the day after that I'm going to Trinidad. So I will see you in Bridgetown, Barbados in about 10-12 hours. So I've arrived in Barbados. It's about 4 o'clock in the evening, so I haven't got much time to see any of the sights because tomorrow I'm going to Trinidad, but here is the Radisson Hotel. View from the balcony. Not bad. So I'm out and about in Bridgetown, just past the hotel. Actually going to head into Bridgetown now, to the capital, and see a few of the sights. It's been about 20 minutes since I've checked in, so having a look around. So this is the main road into the main city. Looking good, looking safe, looking fine. Another grand building with Gruntley Adams there. These quaint little houses look really nice, don't they? Church, the Bethel Methodist Church. So I've reached Independence Square. So I'm knackered because in England it is about 10 o'clock at night, but here it's only 5 p.m. I'm just trying to see a little bit more. There's a nice church behind me over there, I think. So a statue of someone called the Right Excellent Errol Walton Barrow, national hero. So I've come to a bridge and I'll walk this way. So even in Bridgetown you can't avoid Burger King. Cenotaph, soldiers who died in the First World War. And a great building over there, I'm sure it is. Statue of Nelson. So now I'm just wandering aimlessly, seeing what's what. Not sure. Chancery House. It's humid, very humid. So I might find the riverfront now. There's a bar just behind me. I might try to get the local beer, Banks beer, cool me down. Right, I'm back on the move. Wandering around. Around here is like budget shops, Shoppers Paradise, $2 plus, souvenir gifts, Tiffany's discounts. So it's like one of the main shopping districts. There's lots of these stout sort of policewoman type. Could almost be an English seaside town. I'm guessing the Jolly Roger Barbados isn't a pirate ship, but it's some sort of nightclub. Right, I'm back on the road towards the hotel for my very brief tour around Bridgetown, passing the liquidation centre and the old Mercedes buses. Back to the beach, Carlisle Bay. There's my hotel right over there, the one on the left. You see little alleyways like this leading to the beach. And I'm carrying on. This area here is the old garrison area, the old British fort, I'm presuming. Trying to find a way in. It'll be closed at this time of night, but I'll see what I can see. This is part of it, the George Washington House. Apparently he came to Barbados and lived here for a bit. There we go. Oh, I don't think there's a way in. Large cricket ground, popular in Barbados, West Indies of course. So there's some evidence of the cannons, some cheerleaders, nice building there. Some soldiers in training. So I don't think I'm going to get any closer than this, but it looks like a keep fit centre. I'm not sure what's going on. Look at what was going on. It's like a practice session, but they're like old geezers. Now I'm going to try to find a lighthouse, and I think that'll be it. So let's see if I can find it. So you can see a little bit more of how defensive it was from here. Because on that side is the sea and the invaders. Right, this lighthouse apparently is half a kilometre down here somewhere. So nobody here on this beach. But I go. Well, I expected it to be on some rocky outcrop, but no, it's just next to the Hilton Hotel. There it is. Needham, I think, Point Lighthouse. So this is the Hilton's pool and beach area with the band over there. About to start up. Right, so to the hotel. It's midnight in the UK, and that's what time it is for me, my body clock, so I'm really tired. So goodbye from Barbados. See you in Trinidad.